Hi, friends! Let's learn A to Z with fruits and animals. A is for apple. A is for alligator. B is for banana. B is for bear. C is for coconut. C is for cat. D is for dragon fruit. D is for dog. E is for eggplant. E is for elephant. F is for fig. F is for fish. G is for grapes. G is for goat. H is for honeydew. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. I is for iguana. J is for jackfruit. J is for jellyfish. K is for kiwi. K is for kangaroo. L is for lemon. L is for lion. M is for mango. M is for monkey. N is for nectarine. N is for nightingale. O is for orange. O is for owl. P is for pineapple. P is for panda. Q is for quince. Q is for quail. R is for raspberry. R is for rabbit. S is for strawberry. S is for snake. T is for tomato. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella fruit. U is for unicorn. V is for vanilla. V is for vulture. W is for watermelon. W is for whale. X is for sigua. X is for Christmas tree. Y is for yellow pear. Y is for yak. C is for zucchini. C is for zebra. Great job, everyone! Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to learn more letters.